Hey guys, welcome back to another video from VeeroTech. In this video, we're going to go over how to install a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Let's Encrypt is free, there's no cost. We do offer commercial SSLs if you'd prefer to have a commercial version instead of the free version. So we're going to assume that you've already gotten your hosting account set up and you have access to cPanel. Once you're logged into cPanel, you can scroll down under the security panel and you'll see the option for Let's Encrypt. Now, one caveat to this is we want to ensure that the domain name is resolving to our servers because Let's Encrypt is actually going to connect back to our servers in order to verify the domain. And then once verified, it'll proceed with the install. So once you've ensured that your domain is pointing to our servers, you'll come here and you'll want to click Issue. Generally, we want to uncheck the mail subdomain because depending on where that record is pointing to, if you're using Google Apps or some other mail provider, it's going to try to verify there and it's going to end up failing. So we want to uncheck that and then come down, check the HTTP, and then go ahead and click Issue. And you can see now that the certificate has been installed and it says it's restarting. Of course, we don't use Apache, we use Lightspeed, but this is just the default kind of generic notice from the plugin that it's doing its thing on the background. There's nothing actually being restarted from in terms of the server itself. It's just the plugin is doing some things in the background. And we can go back, and now we have our SSL installed, and that'll be it. And you can install an SSL with Let's Encrypt in just a few seconds, just a couple clicks, and have your SSL up and running. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave some comments below.